Ever wonder why the cost of that new roof seems to climb higher and higher without ever coming back down? Well, stick around to find out why. Let's start with the main culprit, oil. Did you know that oil is the primary ingredient in asphalt roofing shingles? Now, due to its notorious volatility, the cost of asphalt roofing material is on a perpetual upward climb. These market conditions surrounding oil create a ripple effect, impacting manufacturers and ultimately your wallet. Here's the kicker. Manufacturers react to these volatile market conditions by consistently raising the price of their products. On average, they implement a price hike of 8 to 10% every quarter. Yes, you heard that right. Every 3 months, your roofing materials could be costing you significantly more than the last time you checked. So what does this mean for you, the homeowner? Let's say your roofing contractor is in need of 1,500 square feet of roofing material for your project, and it initially costs $6,000. If you decide to wait just 6 months with a quarterly price increase of 8%, that same material will now set you back $6,998. That's an increase of $998 in just 6 months. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's crucial to plan ahead if you're in the market for a new roof. Understanding the quarterly price hikes and the oil factor allows you to make informed decisions that could save you a significant amount of money in the long run, because waiting might cost you more than you bargained for.